Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you an amazing chicken recipe that I found on Natasha's Kitchen. It's called Pesto Chicken and Tomato Roll-Ups. It's so good. It has amazing flavor. I've made it so many times and you guys are going to love it. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're using 4 medium-sized chicken breasts for this recipe, and we're going to start by slicing each chicken into 2 equal pieces. So we're going to end up with 8 slices of chicken. Next, we're going to pound the chicken. And I found out that if you place your chicken into a Ziploc bag, it makes it a lot easier to pound. I'm going to grab my meat pounder, and you want to pound your chicken until it is very flat and thin. So I went ahead and pounded all 8 slices of chicken and I laid them on a parchment paper. We're going to season the chicken with salt and pepper to taste, oregano, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I have the exact ingredients and measurements in the description box. You're going to mix all your spices together and season your chicken very generously on both sides. Once your chicken has been seasoned, you're going to grab some pesto and place a tablespoon onto each chicken. Next, go ahead and spread out the pesto just like that. I went ahead and sliced 1 huge tomato into exactly 16 slices. We're going to place 2 slices onto each chicken. Next, we're going to top them with some mozzarella cheese. I'm putting about 2 to 3 tablespoons onto each chicken. Once that is done, you're going to roll up your chicken just like that. It's very easy. Then you're going to secure the seam with some toothpicks. Once you have all your chicken rolled up, you're going to heat up a skillet over medium-high heat and drizzle in some olive oil. Also toss in some butter, and once the pan has heated up, you're going to place your chicken rolls into it. We're going to let the chicken cook for 4 minutes on one side. Then you're going to turn the same side down and let it cook for another 4 minutes. So in total, you're cooking your chicken for 8 minutes, okay guys? Once your chicken has cooked, you're going to turn off your heat and place some cherry tomatoes onto the chicken. Next, I'm going to sprinkle some dried rosemary on the cherry tomatoes. It gives them a very nice flavor. And last, we're going to sprinkle some more mozzarella cheese onto each chicken. Next, you're going to preheat your oven to 425 Fahrenheit and bake your chicken for 12 to 15 minutes or until they reach internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. And here you go, fresh out of the oven. It smells amazing. And it's so juicy. It's like sitting in its own sauce that you get to enjoy the chicken with. Look at all that juiciness. This is so good with rice. It soaks up all that amazing juice. I'm going to toss some fresh basil over this for some fresh flavor, and it is ready to be enjoyed. The chicken is so tender and the pesto and tomato stuffing is so good. You guys will love this recipe. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there.